Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. July is National Blueberry Month. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a recipe using blueberries. And it's fresh berry season. We're going to make blueberry jam. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And once you taste this, you'll never buy store-bought blueberry jam again. Great to put on toast, biscuits, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and other goodies. Y'all gonna fall in love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my strawberry jam recipe and my previous video, summer berry cobbler. I'll post links to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your blueberries, your sugar, and your pot sugar, because we're about to make some blueberry jam magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my saucepan, I got the fire over medium heat. We're going to add in 4 cups of fresh blueberries that I rinsed. And in 2 hour blueberries, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And this is optional, but I highly recommend it. We're going to add in a pinch each of ground cardamom and ground cinnamon. Adding these spices really change the game. It's going to give our blueberry jam great flavor. Give it a quick stir until everything is well combined. Alrighty, so all we do now is let the blueberries cook for about 30 minutes until they're thickened. Alright my friends, our jam is nice and thick. See? That looks great. And how simple and easy is that? Our blueberry jam is complete. So now I'm going to cut my heat off. So now we're ready to pour it into our jar. And I just filled my jar with some hot water so that way when we add the jam, it'll be at the same temperature. So I'm going to pour this water out and I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, now we're ready to pour the jam in. Like so. Love the smell of blueberries cooking. Alrighty my friends, I got all my blueberry jam into my jar. So all we do now is let it cool completely. Alrighty my friends, our jam is nice and cool. And this is what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's what you're looking for. Alrighty. So now I got some biscuits in the oven. And as soon as they get through, I'll fix them up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I picked them up a plate. I cut my biscuit in half and I garnished it with some fresh blueberries. So now we're going to add some of my blueberry jam right on top of my biscuit. And I added some melted butter. Just like that. And there you have it my friends, homemade blueberry jam. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The blueberry is nice and juicy and full of flavor. Oh, ain't nothing like homemade jam. Spot on magnificent, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Blueberry jam-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. and to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat, and much love.